Hello everyone, today we are comparing two popular smartphones, the Sony Xperia 5 Mark V and Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both phones feature Sony signature premium design with Gorilla Glass front and back panel and aluminium frames. Both phones have similar IP68W and dust resistant rating for durability. Display features. Both phones come with OLED display. Xperia 5 Mark V 6.1 inch and Xperia 1 Mark V 6.5 inches. Hardware features. The Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset in both phones should provide the excellent performance. Camera features. Xperia 5 Mark V come with two rear cameras, wide and ultra-wide. And Xperia 1 Mark V come with three rear cameras, wide, telephoto and ultra-wide. Let's compare the battery features. Both phones have a 5000 mAh batteries. Both Xperia phones including 5G connectivity, stereo speakers, headphone jack and support for expandable storage microSD cards. You may now choose the option that is best for you, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.